I used to charge $40 for a website. Yes, you heard that right. Just $40 for a whole website. That was my first site. To now recently we closed a $40,000 project. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it. No fluff, just real steps you can use today. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Parth Gaurav, founder of Digi Hotshot. If you are stuck charging low rates for your web design work, this video is for you. I'm going to break down what changed in my business, why it matters, and how you can do it too. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First, let's talk about what really changed. So when I started, I was, the typical freelancer. It was just the beginning of my journey, taking any project that came my way, offering every service under the sun, working like weird hours with clients from all the time zones. Basically, I was everywhere and nowhere at the same time. Now we because I have a team, so we only do Webflow design and development. We work with exclusively EST and CDT time zone clients. We offer like clear packages to our clients, and we charge premium rates that match our expertise. And the best part is the clients that we get are way happier than ever because our processes have smoothened across the time. Our skills have increased across the time. You can if I give you one example, right now we have like 6 projects that are going on in October, and 4 of these projects are from the clients that have been with us since 2021. So clearly our rates have increased, but they trust us to pay those higher rates as well because our processes are good and our work is smooth. Here's why these changes matter so much. So when you try to do everything, you master nothing. It's as simple as that. Think about it. Would you rather hire someone who is okay at 10 things or amazing at just one thing? Let me give you one real example. So that $40 website that I spoke about in the beginning, it was a hotel website that I made. I rushed into it and I honestly cut corners, and it wasn't great experience. I was too busy juggling other services like running ads for another company and editing videos as well. I did some basic editing. But that recent $40,000 project, we nailed it because we focused just purely on Webflow and web design. And what this does is this focus lets us deliver better results, work faster, and solve bigger problems, and ultimately charge more money. And guess what? Clients can actually feel the difference in our services. Again, that thing that I've said about the process, it plays a crucial part in this as well, because we offer only a specific thing, only a specific service. We can nail that process to the T from the start to the end. Now for the part you have been waiting for, how to make this jump yourself. First, master one thing. Pick your main skill. For me, it is Webflow. So spend at least 2 hours every day getting better at it, and watch tutorials, build practice sites, break those already built out templates and fix them and try to see how they are built out. I would say when I started out, I used to break and fix a lot of these templates. But right now what I have experienced is these Webflow templates are not that properly built out. If you take a look at the popular frameworks like Client First Framework or Lumos or MAST, so they have a lot of clonables. There are a lot of clonables as well. You can see how those sites are built out, and try to replicate those. Try to build like popular sites. Whenever a new Apple product is launched, a lot of people try to emulate that site and post it on social media that they have created new iPhone site on Webflow. So try to do that. You will learn a lot of things. Second, build credibility. Become certified in your tool of choice. So in our case, like I became a Webflow Professional Partner in 2020, and it's like a stamp of approval that tells clients this person knows their stuff. Third, talk more and assume less. This is the most crucial part. And here's a simple trick, and this is like so important. Write down everything that you do in a project in a Notion document. So we use Notion a lot. Soon we will be transitioning from Notion to ClickUp, but right now we use Notion. So we have a space where we share all the stuff. Let's say we have a meeting with the client, we share all the notes with the client as well. In that document we have a database in Notion that has a date for that meeting, and all the notes from that meeting are over there, and clients can access as well, so that you have everything, so that both your team and them have the access to all the stuff, and there is no miscommunication in between. And when they see all the work that goes into a project, they understand your value better, and they understand that these guys have nailed the process. If I give you example, like recently I met three potential clients, and they all have said that they had a bad experience with their past agency, and they are still not ready to trust another new agency, because this thing is like very crucial. Main skills aside, these things are super crucial in making project a success. Like a proper communication, having everything at one place, nailing the process is like very crucial if you want to charge that premium to the client. Fourth, give extra. After launching our website, we usually stick around for 4 weeks to help out the clients. Clients love this thing. It shows that you really care about their success, not just the money. Next is raise your prices slowly. Don't jump from $500 to $5,000 overnight. That will not happen, and that will not even reflect in your confidence as well, to going from $500 to $5,000. And clients can see that. So what you can do is you can add 10 to 20% extra to each new project. So let's say you close a project for $500, and let's say another project comes in of similar size. You can try to pitch the client for, let's say, $600 or $650, whatever you feel comfortable with. So do it that way. And as you get better, charge more amount, charge better. Next is pick your time zone. This might sound weird, but it works for me completely. So I take only clients from EST and CDT time zone now, and I do it for one simple reason. I don't need to juggle different time zones to keep track of the projects. I know that my clients will be active from this time to this time. So this has become like a really crucial part of our process, because we take only clients from specific time zone. It allows us to have better communication, and it just means better projects, and better projects means higher rates. And we know that we can nail the communication better. Remember, this didn't happen like overnight. It took time, practice, and lots of learning. But if I could go from like $40 to $40,000, you can do that too. Start with one change today, pick your focus, master it, and the money will follow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your web design business. And drop a comment below letting me know what prices you are charging now and where you want to be. And I'll see you in the next video.